This is my first video. Oh my god. I'm low-key nervous to make this, but whatever. Been wanting to do this for so long, so yeah, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be recreating a like basic smoky eye and like a purple like lash line. Sorry. So yeah, let's just hop right into this shit. So first off, I'm gonna take the Morphe. This is the Bronze Mocha palette, and then I'm probably gonna just insert clips of what shades I'm gonna be using, so you can follow along. So yeah. I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna take like mix two colors, and I'm gonna mix like a kind of like an orangey brown and then more of a light brown. Put it all in my crease. My hand looks really white right here. The sun is like, I've been trying to figure out the lighting this for like the past 20 minutes because the sun is like at a weird angle, and I don't know if I think I got it to look better. Sorry, I gotta make sure I'm blending this because we don't want any harsh edges, you know? Literally blending is gonna take like an extra 20 minutes if you want it to look good. So make sure you allow yourself enough time. But yeah, I'm just going in with the eyes first so that I can reduce the amount of fallout that comes down onto my face, and then I can clean up with concealer and whatnot. Next, I'm going to be taking my M433 brush. Yeah. And I'm going to be taking a darker color. I have all the names to these colors. Okay, so the first one was Speechless and Center, and then the second one I'm taking is Better. And then I'm gonna be taking this, it's like a, I don't even know, a crease brush. That's what it is, you know? And then I'm gonna be focusing it on the outer third and then dragging it in the crease, so that's what I'm gonna do. I apologize for this being like a week late because I know I said I was gonna upload it, but your girl hasn't had time. You should see my setup right now. Like literally, I'm propping my camera up on a Morphe palette while having it displayed. Like, it goes mason jars, and then it goes my computer, and then camera, and then the Morphe palette's like sitting right under the lens so that I can prop it up. I have a tripod, but it's like so little, and it's made for like a GoPro. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into my M441 brush. Where did I throw it? Here it is. Alright, and then we're going to go back in and fix this up. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little bit of a darker color, and then taking my M433 brush, I'm going to be taking Most and Bots. I'm just gonna mix those two together. Make sure you're tapping off the excess too because you don't want that extra fallout. And then I'm just gonna focus that really like right here. I'm just gonna set it there, and then I'm gonna take my M441 brush again and blend it out. This will help really like deepen the eye. It also sucks coming into the YouTube game like so late because I've been wanting to do this for so long. But now it's like everybody is doing YouTube, and I'm just like, ugh. Like I want different ideas. I want to do something different. I want to create a different impact on YouTube. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and a like flat shader brush. So I'm just going to take it from the wand. I need a new Tarte Shape Tape really bad. Okay. And I'm going to try and cut my crease, or do a half cut crease off camera so that it's really hard, and sometimes someday I will get it. I promise you. It just not today. Looking good. Looking good. Alright. Second eye. Let's pray that we can do this again. Because that was some good luck. And I'm doing this from like 3 miles from the mirror. So, because that stupid sun want to try and ruin the lining and then I can't fucking see. Pro tip when you do your cut creases, you want to pull from like out here and then follow the curve and then drag it. Because otherwise, if you do the dragging, you're just gonna fuck it up. Trust me, I've done it before. It sucks because you feel like you're a good makeup artist and then you're like, nope. I'm gonna set that with the shade Shy. I'm just gonna use one of these basic little sponges because what else are they used for? Literally nothing, and we don't discriminate on here with the brushes. Sorry, I'm using the mirror a lot because I don't want to fuck this up. This is probably the most crisp cut crease I've ever done. Like, even the first attempt in this video, I didn't even do it right, so we're getting it today, bitches. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some glitter to that cut crease, or like where we just set. And I'm just going to take the shade Topaz. I'm literally filming this at 10 o'clock in the morning. And the sun is like in a weird position and it's slowly moving over. I'm gonna be pissed because by the end of this video it's gonna suck. And then I'm gonna have to move. Alright. Oh, another thing that I didn't do in the last video is I didn't apply highlighter, and highlighter is key, sister. Alright, so now I am going back in with the M433 if I can find it because I lose everything that I touch. Don't ask me why. And I'm gonna go back in with Better. And I'm just gonna fade the glitter and the dark shade so it's not as harsh. Alright, so now that that's finished up, we are going to do the brow bone. That's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take Waffle. I don't know which one's darker. See, and that'll like cut the top of the of your eyeshadow sometimes. So it'll make it look a little bit more crisp, but sometimes you don't want that. So I'm gonna take the M441 brush and just diffuse it a little bit. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. Taking the NYX Total Control drop foundation, and I love this stuff because you can either apply one layer and it looks super. It's like a light coverage. It's not really sheer. It's just light, and it looks really nice though. It looks like your skin, and then you can like go from there. You know. I gotta make sure my beauty blender is somewhere nearby. Alright, so now that we have the big bitch coming to work its magic. Woo. We're gonna just drop this shit on her face. I gotta hurry up and blend because half the time this shit gets in my eyebrow. Also, when you wet your brush and use this foundation, it like makes it look so natural, and just, you know, I'm just gonna apply another layer and also wipe it on my neck, you know, because that's what basic beauty girls do. Also, you want to get like part of your ear. I hate when I do foundation and it gets on my lips. Like, I don't know how people keep it on their lips for so long. It just like bothers the fuck out of me. I'm just like, wipe this shit off your lips, please. Oh well, I need sharp tape. Tart shaped tape. I suck. I'm gonna put that under my eye. And just like anywhere where I really need an extra spot. Alright, and now we're gonna blend. Alright, so right away, because Tarte Shape Tape kind of makes me crease as soon as I like put it on. I don't know why. I'm gonna put the banana powder from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Place that under my eye so we can get that out of the way. I like this because I have like a different undertone of skin, and then it just makes it look a lot more bright compared to when I use the Laura Mercier. But I will use the Laura Mercier for like the rest of my face. Alright, so now we're just gonna dump this into the top. I'm just gonna take a little bit and just kind of press it all over my face, or like right in my T-zone, because that's where I get oily. Alright, so now I'm just taking a really old MAC blush. This is like something that my mom gave me like forever ago. In a BH Cosmetics brush that I got from Target, or not Target, TJ Maxx when I worked there, and they were like dirt cheap. So I'm just gonna plop this on my cheeks, and then when I do the contour, it'll like diffuse it. So I'm gonna take that contour kit and my Morphe M527, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know exactly what shade I am. So what I do is I just go like this, if you can't tell by how dirty the palette is. And then I'll just wipe it off. But it gives me a good mix of all of the colors. And then just dust it on my big ass forehead, my non-existent cheekbones, and my not sharp jawline. Because we gotta make these bitches pop. I'm gonna go wipe this shit off. Alright, so now that the sun has completely shifted our way, good thing that we are basically almost done. I am going to spray my face Mario Badescu spray. This is the aloe, herbs, and rose water, and I'm almost out. That's just so our faces don't look super powdery, and our bronzer, our blush, and our foundation just melt into each other, and it looks like a perfectly blended little I don't know. Okay. So let's dry your face. Dry your face. Oh well. Sometimes I like to press like the excess moisture in so that it just gets all blended. I'm gonna do curl my eyelashes. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's pray that I can do this while being on camera. We got this, bitch. Oh my god. Oh, you looking good. Oh my god. Wow. Go me, bitch. Let's pray that I can put my lashes on today. I'm gonna put. Ow. I just stabbed myself. Bring my mirror down here. I can see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I fucked it up. So now I'm gonna put on my lashes extra super fast. I'm putting on the Cara eyelashes. I got this from Shop Miss A. They were literally only $1, and they were like the best eyelashes ever. And I'm taking just the duo eyelash glue. I have the dark one. This stuff smells like fish. Don't buy it. And then obviously we're gonna sit and wait a hot second. Alright. I don't know if that's good enough or not, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna do these off camera because I suck at doing them on camera. Alright. So I think I got one round. The thing is, will it stay on? Round 2. Okay. I'm gonna put on this MAC French Kiss Patent Polish Lip Pencil in this like dark brown shade. I don't know if you can tell. But it's like a lip gloss. The Fenty Kilowatt Mean Money Hustle Baby Duo Highlighter. And I'm taking Hustler Baby because obviously why the fuck would you choose the other one? And just gracefully sweeping the shit over my face. Alright, I'm gonna do my lower lashes off camera. Now I'm gonna waterline. I'm gonna do this off camera because I know I'm gonna fuck it up. And then here we are with the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later in the next video, hopefully, and peace.